All right, so for this project, I wanted to engrave my logo onto this silicone mat I had sourced from Amazon to use for my resin art projects. Um, I wanted to use this mat for my resin art projects because it's easy to remove resin from it once it dries, and I figured I can use it to create some homemade drewsies. All right, so getting into the setup, I use these tiny magnets to secure it to my crumb tray, and I stacked magnets on top of each other to make it even stronger. So I used quite a few magnets to lay this down. So these are my settings, and I went ahead and placed my logo onto the mat on what I thought was center, and I went ahead and pressed that button, and it did its thing. And not too long after that, it actually started engraving, and from what I can tell, it looked good. It didn't engrave through the mat, so that was good. And I feel like it came out pretty decent. So I gave it a good wipe down to get rid of the residue, and this is how it turned out. So it's real subtle. It's not like all in your face popped out, but when it's zoomed in, you can see it. So I really like how it turned out, and I can see myself using this setting again in the future.